TLSO, a spinal brace. This stands for thoracic, lumbar, sacral orthosis. We're going to go over the process of putting this on and off, and we're going to demonstrate it here on Josh. Again, this is usually used for patients either post-operatively for a thoracic surgery or some type of compression fracture or thoracic fracture. This one's a little bit different style. This has no extension. It just has the straps that come over the shoulders and help pull them into extension. It's a little bit different style here. So we're going to go over how to put this on and off correctly. But just like any brace, we first want to put this on through Josh's arm here. Now we're going to get the lower waistband here. This part we want to go again, Velcro on one side, and this is going to go low across his lower abdomen here. Then we're going to pull his arm through, second side of the strap here. There's a buckle up top. You want to buckle this. You can tighten and loosen this. Again, we already set this brace up for Josh, so that will be set up by your certified orthotist who will get this set up correctly. Once you get this on, the next steps are you want to pull, I had this one loose here, you want to pull both of these straps down underneath the axillas or the armpits. The idea with this is it helps pull and extend Josh's shoulders. If we don't want a curved back, we want to keep patient in extension. Second part, there's these pull tabs, one on this side, one on this side. And as we pull these, you'll see this tighten around Josh's waist. And these have Velcro on there. You Velcro across, put these onto the front. Return Josh for me. So this is the back. We want this down low, just below his gluteal fold here, or his lower lumbar. And then it goes all the way up into his thoracic. Again, this can be adjusted by the orthotist based off of the patient's height, obviously weight, etc. Obviously, Josh being pretty tall, it's got to be much, much higher compared to if we have a patient who's much shorter. Again, this is to help with the thoracic region. This is the TLSO, which stands for thoracic, lumbar, sacral orthosis. We're going to demonstrate now how to take it off. We're kind of going to reverse the process. First part is, turn this way, Josh, a little bit more, is unclip the sternal part here. Then you're going to release this tab on the left side or right side, just one side. That's by pulling up on the metal clip here, the plastic clip, excuse me. And then we're going to take off both of these pull tabs. We want to make sure that these aren't just hanging because they'll catch to people's pants or to their shirt. We might want to Velcro these here onto the sides. And you release the lower belt. Slide your arm out this side. And that's how it comes off. Usually I will leave the one side attached so that it's easier to put on and off. You're not getting confused. As far as cleaning it, usually you just want to use mild soap and water or an alcohol that you can spray inside to clean it. You get food, dirt, lint, etc. on it. That's how you put on and take off a TLSO. Thank you.